What is this? Huh? Athena. Come on. Look. What is this, huh? Did you chew Mommy's glasses? Huh? Come here. Huh? Do you know what you did? Huh? No. Do you know what you did? Stay. Do you know what you did? Huh? What is this? Huh? You gonna wash me? Huh? Do they fit you? Huh? Because they don't fit Mommy. Look at Mommy.
Athena. Athena.
Hey.
Now she wants nothing to do with them. Athena, what did you do?
Huh? What is this?
What did you do?
Come here. Come here. Hey, get back. Athena, come here. Come here. Come here. Come here. What is this?
If that's not a sad face, I don't know what is. Look at her.
Did you have this, huh?
I'm sorry, Daddy.
Huh? Don't look at me. Back up. Come here. Hey. Get back here. Come here. Come here. Stop. No.
Okay, I think she's had enough punishment.
I want to know what this is. I do. You need to start talking.
Put the glasses away.
Come get a picture of this.
Ho, 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 ho. Now put the glasses away and see how she acts. Oh, who's a pretty girl? Oh, thank you.
You done? Huh?
No, say I forgive you.
You're gonna have to start going back in the crate.
Forgive her now. Honey.
What?
Forgive her now.
Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here. Hey, come here. You're gonna come to me. Come here. Athena, come here. Come here.
She's not listening to you.
Athena, come here. Come here.